Hey everyone, Sylvia here, just making a brief tutorial on a software app called CodeKit. I really love CodeKit because I use it almost on a daily basis to connect it to static files and easily refresh my browser upon any saves done. It's also useful when compiling any files like SAS and LESS and also optimizing images. So there's a bunch of other advanced features, and I'll have a link of tutorials created by Brian below on those features. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to cover two of the most basic features that I normally use. And one thing to note in this demo, I have the licensed version. You can download the trial version for free and you'll still have the same features as I do in the demo. So with that said, let's move on to the tutorial. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and download CodeKit's app trial version on their website. In this demo, I'm also going to download an HTML5 boilerplate to use as a template when making edits. So once it's installed on your Mac, pull it up, and then we're going to open a new project. There's two ways to do that. You can click on this icon, click on that plus sign, and then add project, or on your keyboard, type Command N. I have the HTML5 boilerplate on my desktop here. Pull that up, and we'll see the index.html file. Now, we can preview it by clicking on the top right preview icon or type Command P. And there it is, the index.html file. As you can see on the web address here, it's showing my MacBook username for my account, the local server, and my port number. That gets pulled up from the internal server of CodeKit. So this Bonjour networking address that's created needs to be displaying on your web address bar. Let's pull up the index.html file in a text editor. For me, it's Sublime Text. And then going down to where the text is at here, let's edit that and just put testing 1, 2, 3. Type Command S to save. And here you'll see it automatically refresh and include the text that I just typed. Now this is just a normal static HTML file. We can also work with JavaScript or CSS. For example, let's pull up the main style sheet for this boilerplate. And again, go ahead and edit that. Make the color of the text red. Hit Command S. And there you go. You'll see it changed. Again, if we want to change the font size to 5 EM, we'll see it right here, change. So this is very useful when wanting to speed up front-end development of static files and being able to see automatically any changes that you make to your file without having to manually reload the browser using the refresh button. The other feature that I really like to use in CodeKit is optimizing images. I used to have to do this through an external app on my Mac, but now that it's on CodeKit, I can just streamline that all into this one software app. So under the image folder, I added some photos that I already optimized. You can see it through the green check marks here. And it's really simple. Just select the photo that you want and then click on Optimize. You'll see in this photo, for example, the initial file size and then the new file size upon optimization. as well as the reduction percentage. In order to optimize multiple images under one folder, you can select one, hold down Shift, and then go ahead and click Optimize there. The great thing is that any files that are optimized are done losslessly, which means there is no effect on how the photo is going to be displayed, and there is no loss in quality. If you want to learn more about the difference between lossless and lossy compression, I have a link down below that you can read more on. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found a lot of value in this and can check out the other basic and advanced features offered in CodeKit. I hope you got some value in this tutorial, and feel free to subscribe if you want more tutorials on code and tech, and I'll talk to you soon.